Welcome to the Hotel Val Cartier. We're gonna go check out everything that this warm hotel next to the Ice Hotel has to offer. So the Ice Hotel is only open until, I believe, March 16th this year. And the rest of the season, this hotel here stands as well. It is open during the summer and they have water slides and outdoor water park, as well as an indoor water park. So there is plenty to do here, and we're gonna check it all out while we are staying here. Okay, so this is the map they've given us. We came in right here at the reception desk, and they had like a little cafe type thing. So there's your reception check-in. Here's a little coffee place right here on the right, Cafe Natura. And then we're gonna head down this way and see what else is down here. Boutique Viva. So some shopping if you need some warm clothes, it looks like. They've got some of that going on in there. There's a little polar bear with a hat on. Maybe some souvenirs. Oh, aren't they cute? Oh, you can get some replica Ice Hotel little glasses there. And maybe some snacks. We'll see what else is going on down here. It says restaurants, outdoor activities. So there's another door to the outside when you're checking in. I think this is the main entrance out here. So let's go see what's this way. Looks really cool. Looks like a little village, kind of like, sort of like Las Vegas. It's like a outdoor cityscape, little townscape. Boutique. Oh, there's pizza place here. Restaurants are down this way to the left. And then all the outdoor things.
Like what outdoor things?
I think that's where you go tubing. There's the entrance from outside. All right, here's what's on the menu at this pizza place. This might be a decent place to stop and have something. Maybe we will. Let's see what's further down. If anything. Strudel. Some washrooms. The ice skating path. Oh, it's closed today. Oh, well, that's disappointing. This, with our package, we have free ice skating. We did bring our ice skates, but it looks pretty wet out there. So this looks like a sports bar. Le Capitaine. Resto Polynesia. So there's another restaurant this way. Polynesian restaurant. Let's head on up these stairs here and see what's going on upstairs. There seems to be no shortage of washrooms. Look! The Ice Hotel all lit up. People still going through. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go see the arcade. 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Wow! It is loud! Walk around and see what's here.
And maybe we could do a few games?
Maybe. So they've got all the games and it's very busy. That one is closed. Oh my goodness. Come. Minecraft. Dungeons. That is closed.
Go back to the room so I can take my coat and snow pants on, then we'll go back. Because you're not supposed to have a coat and snow pants on.
Oh, that's okay. Look. So they've got a little kids section over here, but it does not look very active. Just a few games and maybe some place for the kids to run around and play. No food or drinks in here. Yes, we are. Bora Park. This is where the Polynesian restaurant is. Look at the colors, Liam. Look at the colors out there. Okay, we've headed down to the end of the hallway. There is a little, it's more of a snack bar. It's the Polynesian place, but you can overlook the water park from there. And you can eat in here at all the tables, but they've got a really cool water park. And you have to book this early because it goes very fast. This wave runner, I heard that you can only go on your belly. I heard that they won't let you go stand up. Whether or not that's true, but those two people are on their belly. And then we've got more over there. It's a fairly small water park, but looks like there's a lot squished in. People coming down the water slides. Looks like a lot of fun.
Cool. It's pushing them back, but also pushing them down.
It is.
How do they do that? Oh, don't fall. Oh.
Looks like they're having fun. Woohoo!
Oh, get back on. Oh, great save.
Okay, let's go take a look at the menu here. Tahiti bar. Oh, they've closed the Polynesian, the Resto Polynesian, but this is it. Order here, pick up here, and then you can eat overlooking the water park. Very cool. All right, come on. Let's go find the elevator. Everything in this hotel has a vibe. Even this elevator, the back wall changes color. It's very dark. It feels like an experience, that's for sure. There's going to be a ton of kids here because it is still March break, and it looks like a lot of families chose this as their location because there's a lot to do here. Okay, you guys, we just walked in the door and there's stuff already strewn about, but it looks like this is a king-size bed. King? I would say. Queen. No, I think it's a king. We'll pull that down a little later, take a look at it. And straight ahead there is a closet. I'm assuming there's going to be a light in here. It's very dark. That's okay. We don't need to see very much right now. I'm sure I'll find all the light switches as we go. But there's a safe in there. Looks like there's some kind of a table. Isn't that interesting? A couple of hangers, some pillows, blankets, an ironing board and an iron, and a safe down there in the closet. It's a nice setup to the room too because we've got an extra little space over here. We've got the little mini fridge here, so that's great. We've got a Keurig, so that's amazing. I love to be able to make my own coffee in the room. There's our little mini fridge. Liam's got the little spinny chair. There's a TV up there on the wall, the phone. Let's go on through the pass-through, and this is the second bedroom. Look at that. King-size bed. And let's see where our window looks before I look at very much else. Whoa, fancy. So there's the tubing. You can see all the tubes. You can see people going on up. Now, it was supposed to rain today, and I'm so surprised that it's not raining right now. I looked up the weather for here, and it was just pure rain. So you see people going down over there. There's the Hotel de Glace, or the Ice Hotel. Oh, you can see right into there. Oh, I'm so excited. That's where we're staying. That's where the hot tubs are. There's somebody coming on down there on a skidoo. It's fun. It's not very busy out there right now, so we could probably still get tickets. Somebody's coming on down there on the hill. Liam, are you going to do all that stuff?
Yeah.
You a little nervous?
Probably.
Yeah.
Also, why would you want to slide down slides over there when it's freezing cold?
Well, that's the whole fun of it. Oh, there's an extra blanket in there. Looks like you can put your luggage up on top. There's an extra pillow for this room. And then just drawers down there. There's the TV for this room. So it's basically a 2-bedroom. And let's go check out the washroom that's in the pass-through here. There's your full-length mirror there, so when you come out of the bathroom, you can check out your outfit. All right. Here's the washroom. We've got the single vanity sink there. It looks like the soap is like a bar of soap. There it is down there, pure. They've got a makeup mirror and a vanity big mirror with the lights on the sides. Very nice bathroom, very clean looking. There's all your towels down there. And a little stool in case you've got a little person that needs to reach. Liam might actually benefit from that. There's a hairdryer in there and some extra toilet paper. And then here is the shower. So they've got their body wash and their shampoo conditioner on the wall there. Nice, really deep bathtub. Wow, and very sparkly clean. That's lovely. There's your shower head there. It comes off so you can hold it in your hand and you've got some spaces there to put your towels. All right, you guys, so we have moved rooms now. We are in room 300 on the 3rd floor, and this is pretty much the exact same room, only it's a little bit wider, and we've already moved in, and they've given us this little dryer here that you like put your mitts and your boots or whatever on. There is one big difference with this room, and it is outside. Let's see if I can open the door here. There's a hot tub and a giant balcony, like I mean huge. We haven't been out there yet, but we're on our way out there. So here's what we overlook on our balcony. It's the Ice Hotel. How lucky are we? And of course the sledding, but that's our view. It's fantastic, and we can actually also look up at the hotel. And I'm gonna be hopping in that hot tub right now. Look, it's like a disco. We're up on the 2nd floor. We're just heading on down, but you can see the lobby from up here. It's a very cool hotel village. They've got all of these neat lights up there. And then over there's a fireplace and places to sit. All right, here we go. We're going on downstairs. Let's see what's over in this section here. There's the weight room here. So there's somebody in there using it. I saw them in the mirror there. But that's a pretty nice weight room. Not very big, but big enough. There's a pop machine right next to it. There's the spa there on my left. Look. They've got all of these fire tiki torches heading on out there. And that looks like a restaurant, pizza, nachos, pool tables, a bar. It's a sports bar. Looks very good. There's Bora Park right there. And tickets and lockers. You guys, we are outside. We are going tubing, and it is very cold. It looks like there's a restaurant over on my right, and then we have to go pick our tube up. There's churros over here. I brought my phone out, so I didn't get my camera all wet, but we've got to go get tubes, so let's do that. Okay, we are going up the lift. So we're gonna go all the way to the top here. Liam's in front of me. We're sitting in inner tubes here. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. You can see all the way down to the bottom. Let's get up to the top here. We'll see if I can get out of the inner tube. That will be the real question. Okay, here we are at the top. We made it, Liam. Let's see. Very difficult, extreme, difficult, and easy. So we want the easy one. Let's see. Avalanche. Oh my gosh. I had no idea that they were all over the place. So you can go this way. So you can go different ways. Himalaya. I think that is too tall for you. We want an easy slide. So look at the sign here. See, you want to look for the ones with the green circles. 12, 14, and 24. So we're going to go back that direction. Let's go measure you on this little measure stick back here. You're underneath. You're just probably underneath 52 inches. but that's okay. Okay, we're starting on easy, number 12 over here. Number 14 is over there. And you can see the water slides up here, but there's lots and lots. Once you get to the top of the hills, there's so many that you can't even see. Big Boys just called. They said that one of them won't go on the Himalayas, which is the extreme. So that will be interesting. Maybe the oldest will go. We'll see. Okay, here we go. We're just waiting for that guy to get out of the way. This is going to open and we're going to be off. Woo! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Snow in my face! Yes! Woo! Okay, we're at the top of the second hill there, so we're gonna go put our tube away and go down our family slide. But there's like a little restaurant refuge place with bathrooms and stuff up here, and then tons of slides. There's a lot of people up here. Louie Lou, there he is again. Don't worry.
We're gonna end up with like a we're not even going on that one.
All right, we're going down the tornado, but my camera's gonna die, so we'll see you guys on the flip side. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you everybody for coming along. If you are thinking about going to Val Cartier or the Ice Hotel, both of them were worth the price of admission. It was fantastic. It was a great time, and I think we all really enjoyed our winter getaway. Thanks everybody for coming along. We'll see you guys all in the next video.